Chapter 13, Straight Line Graphs. To begin, we're going to find if points are on a straight line or not given its equation. We'll pause the video and have a go at examples 1 through to 5. The equation of a straight line tells us how to find the y-coordinate of a point on the line if we know the x-coordinate. The equation y equals 3x tells us that the y-coordinate is the x-coordinate multiplied by 3. Remember, 3x, when two terms are together, they mean multiply, so 3 times x. So, if x was 0, then when y is 3x, y would be 3 zeros, 3 times 0, which is 0. If x was 1, then y would be 3 times 1, which is 3. And if x was 2, y would be 3 times 2, which is 6, etc. You can do this for any x value. And these points then can be generated, and there you can draw a straight line from them. So x is 0, y is 0, you can see here. X is 1, y is 3, you can see that here. X is 2, y is 6. X is 2, y is 6. There on the line. If you know the y-coordinate and want to find the corresponding x-coordinate, then you need to work backwards. So if y is equal to 6, then instead of having y equals 3x, you have 6 equals 3x. And then x would be 6 divided by 3, which is 2. You can see that on the graph. When y is 6, x is 2. If y is minus 3, then minus 3 equals 3x instead of y equals 3x. And then to get x, you need to divide through by 3, the number of x's. So minus 3 divided by 3 gives you minus 1. And when we go down on the y-axis to minus 3, we can see that the x value is minus 1. Remember, if the x and y coordinates satisfy the equation or work in the equation, then they are on the line with that equation. So if we look at y equals 3x, the point 26 is on that line because it satisfies the equation. We can put in 6 for the y value, and then 3 is already there, and then times 2, 2 being the x value. So y, 6, equals 3 times x, 3 times 2. That is correct. 6 is equal to 6. But if we take another point, take the point 1, 4, and we try to put it into this equation, the y value being 4, we can see there that 3 times the x value, 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 1 is not equal to 4. So that point is not on the line. Example 1. Find the y-coordinate of the point on the line y equals 4x, which has an x-coordinate of 7. So y equals 4x, y would equal 4 times the x value, which is 7. That would give you 28. So the y-coordinate is 28. You could write overall, and the point would be 7, 28. 7 for the x, 28 for the y. Example 2. Find the y-coordinate of the point on the line y equals minus 3x, which has an x-coordinate of 2. So y equals minus 3x, y equals minus 3. The x value is 2, so that's minus 3 times 2. That will give you minus 6. So when x is 2, y is minus 6. Example 3. Find the x-coordinate of the point on the line y equals 4x, which has a y-coordinate of 20. So this time, when we're writing in y equals 4x, it's the y value that we know to be 20. So we substitute the y to be 20. And then the x is what we want to find out. We want to find the x-coordinate. So if 20 equals 4x, x is going to be 4 times smaller. You can write this if you prefer, solving the equation that way. We get that x is 20 divided by 4, which would be 5. So when x is 5, y would be 20. Example 4. Find the x-coordinate of the point on the line y equals minus 3x, which has a y-coordinate of 24. So instead of writing y equals minus 3x, we write 24 equals minus 3x. And to find x, we always divide by the number of x's. So in this case, we'll be dividing by minus 3 or negative 3. To do that, think of what 24 divided by 3 is. That's 8. And then a positive divided by a negative is a negative. Example 5, find which of the points lie on the line y equals 4x. So if they lie on the line, they should satisfy the equation. So we should, we've got the equation y equals 4x. The y value here is 24, so we can change the y to be 24. We can change the x to be 6. And is that correct? Well, the answer is yes. 24 is 6 times 4, so that point, 624, is on the line. What about the point minus 3? Start again. What about the point minus 3 minus 12? Well, the y has to be 4 times the x value. Y is minus 12. X is minus 3. 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. So that is correct. That works. It satisfies the equation. So yes, it's on the line. Part C, we've got the point 932. Does that satisfy the equation y equals 4x? Well, the y value is 32, and the x value is 9. The equation says that 4 times the x value, 4 9s, should give you the y value 32. But 4 9s are not 32, 4 9s are 36. So they are not equal. So it doesn't work. It doesn't satisfy the equation, these 2 points, so it does not lie on the line.